The Money on Fire program is incredibly simple. You earn $500 and 5 books of stamp each time someone joins from your personalized flyer or postcard. You get rich faster when you make $500 at a time. So accelerate your path to wealth by earning in increments of $500 and 5 books of stamps each time. If you can attach a stamp and an address to an envelope or postcard, you can start seeing money flow into your mailbox. Now, let's discuss our secret weapon, the full data MLM leads list. Our strategy revolves around this comprehensive resource, which includes vital information such as names, addresses, cell phone numbers, and email addresses of individuals actively involved in network marketing and multi-level marketing, all primed and ready to make substantial investments. Consider this scenario. Envision receiving $500 in sales, and now picture that happening 10 times. That's a total of $5,000. Now take it further. Can you visualize the possibility of earning $75,000 in just 7 months? Here's what we send to you when you join. 400 complete full data leads, 400 stamps, a 3-day, 2-night trip, $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice, $1,000 in fast food restaurant vouchers of your choice, and what's sent to you from the person who joins through your personalized flyer or postcard. They will send you $500 in cash and 5 books of stamps. Don't hesitate any longer. Grab the opportunity with the Money on Fire program. It's straightforward. Just continue mailing postcards or flyers to the people on your lead list. Dial now at 346-704-1754. Take the first step towards success. Our website is www.allyourmoney.net. Remember, procrastination has cost more fortunes than failure. Take action today. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Act now. Our website is www.allyourmoney.net.